Do you manage a commercial building between 3 and 15 stories tall? What if cleaning your building was more like taking your car through a touchless car wash? Because that's the easiest way to explain how drone cleaning works. For a lot of mid-rise commercial buildings, especially between 3 and 10 stories tall, traditional exterior cleaning can be overkill. It's more complicated than it needs to be. DRONEWASH Plus was built for buildings like this. How does it work? We pre-soak the building and apply our proprietary FoamStream cleaning solution and rinse with heated ultra-purified water. Then the building air dries clean without leaving spots or streaks because we filter out all the chemicals, chlorine, and minerals and impurities found in your standard tap water. For many buildings, drone cleaning can provide between 10 and 30% savings and complete the job up to 80% faster. And if your building does not have anchors, drone cleaning may be one of the best options available to clean your building. The ideal DRONEWASH Plus building is between 3 and 15 stories tall. But we regularly evaluate commercial buildings up to 20 stories. So if you manage a mid-rise commercial building and want a simpler way to clean it, go to dronewash.io to schedule a video demo or request a quote today.